How to unhide apps from Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down. Select the option of Privacy. Open it and choose Privacy option next to Permissions. Under Privacy Protection, there are different options: App Lock, Hide Apps, and Private Save. Simply launch Hide Apps option. You need to know that you need to enter your privacy password or any biometric to access it. Now from this page, you need to select Hidden option next to All. And here you see all your hidden application. Simply toggle the button off and the application will be on hidden from your Android device. So that's how we unhide apps from Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.